Hey everybody, Dustin here from Ted's Motorcycle World. Let's have a look at this custom 2016 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. Custom and chrome is the name of the game with this bike, and you get plenty of it, starting from the entire frame, bars, Springer front end, and beautiful upsweep exhaust. Originally fuel injected, this Softail has received the full carburetor conversion, giving this bike that old school chopper feel. This bike now features a Harley-Davidson Stage 5 tire shredder kit, taking it from a 103 to 110 cubic inches, and believe me, it is rowdy. It's also been converted from belt to chain driven. A few other things to mention are this gorgeous custom paint job that pairs nicely with the lowbrow customs grips, diamond stitch seats, and matching swing arm bag. To learn more about this amazing motorcycle, give us a call at 618-462-3030 or come down and see us at 4103 Humbert Road in Alton. Thanks for visiting Ted'sMotorcycleWorld.com.